Hey, and it's time for another browsing the old web at this point. I've tried to make some changes to the proxy server so it should work at least a bit better now. Even though when I tried it like last few hours ago, it kind of ended up in a way that it keeps getting timeout, which I assume is from the Internet Archive servers. So hopefully it won't actually break at this point. So at this point, let me just continue and in a few minutes after checking out the screensaver. In this case, this is lattice screensaver with a tasty layout, which is basically just donuts, and it's and I've kind of just lowered down the density of it, so we only have like a small amount of donuts in here. The main problem with this is that it's kind of slow on virtual machine, but at this point it still kind of works. So let me go back to the machine and try to go browsing the web maybe. Just check for a moment. I think we should be ready. Yeah, once again we'll check the directory and see what I might as well find. So we're going to software. So desktop customization could be sufficient at this point. Let's see what we might even consider doing. Let's see. Let's try one as teams and things. Well, is this all of it or? Oh. It looks huge. Click here to download the beautiful font and... Okay, so this is like a custom font at this point. Even though it's like exe, so let's see if it's going to work or not. Okay, so it's still possible download. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it should be like a plain zip file. Not the best option already. Oops, sorry, I forgot to actually turn on the sound for the virtual machine, so you didn't hear anything. Even though there's nothing more at this point. So let me just check the font in this case. So that's supposed to be sheer elegance. Here it is. Oh dear god, that's difficult to even read, especially at 12 points. Alright, let's see if that should actually now work in this case. Wow. That... what should I say? That's kind of unfair. Alright, let's see the code this way. So you can usually check the source of the page. Is it like source code of the page or just source? I don't know. Let's say just source in this case. So in this case, let's see. We should find the name of the font in here at least. Okay, let me check. It should be elegant. Nope. Wait, what was it? Sheer elegance. Right, so it's here. And that's basically applied to everything, I think. Let me check again. Yeah, that's applied to every single element that actually needs the font in this case. But overall, that's how we actually now get the quite beautiful font that I cannot actually even read now. It's kind of looking more like okay, it's basically script, but it's more complex to read. Like, so include that. See the difference right away. It takes less than a minute. That's right. And the fonts, and does not, if the writing does not click, then refresh. Sometimes, but very rarely, it will not take effect until you restart your computer. the difference is dramatic. It really is. I think I should actually change the size of the font in this case. So I'll just use this and increase it a bit more. At least now we should be able to read maybe a bit better. Or I should delete the font. Or is there anything else inside of that font? I don't know. Actually, inside of the downloaded file. Let me check for a moment. I need to get 7-zip or WinRAR. Should be here. Let's check this one. Oh dear God. Go back in here, check inside. Oh, it's just the font, so that's no problem. Okay, let's enter the page and see what else is in here. Even though it says that it's most recommended to explore with Internet Explorer 5 at 800-600 resolution. At least this is kind of more better in this case. I mean, the previous page had like the tiling background, so that's why it actually says that it's more recommended, but yeah, like sorry. Welcome to come on in, look around and enjoy your visit. I hope you find something you like. Please sign my guest book, like every single page in the 90s. Always a guest book in there. Can even sign it. Oh, and there is a status update in here, being animated. Welcome to Wanda's Teams and Things. You still have to actually start trying to find the stuff to check out. Oh, let's see. Who is this? I want to thank you for taking the time to sign my guest book. Click button below to view or sign. Oh, a sec, but there's nothing in here. Wait, that's in here. And that's gone. Never mind. So nothing about the guest book in this case. If you like my site, please vote for it on one of these top sites. Each click to them is a vote for mine. Thank you, Wanda. Desktop sites listing desktop teams by women. Each click to this site is for. Well, each click to this site is a vote for mine. Thanks. And top screen sites. We could check them out if there's some time. If you download it from my site and want to help me keep it online, you can donate any small amount through PayPal. This is a free and very secure service, and if you sign up, you will receive $5 in your account. Thank you, Wanda, again. So PayPal, as far as I remember, had the offer to give you $5 whenever you when you first sign up, and that's why people always said like it's kind of free, but in reality it's kind of not. Yeah, I guess that's why PayPal actually became kind of more popular option, besides from being able to do payments without actually sending your credit card everywhere. The only flaw in this case is that if you actually get banned from PayPal, then you're kind of done for. So awards, click seal for terms of use, supporter awards, web rings. What's with the terms of use in this case? So this site subscribes to these rules regarding use of downloaded files and preserving integrity. Oh dear God, I am completely broken today. Like for a whole day, I'm unable to actually speak anything properly. I made like 6 mistakes already, maybe even more. So use of download files and preserving integrity of authorship. Files are for personal and private use only, as it should be. I think that's the most common thing. Files are not to be distributed without permission. Okay, that applies that you actually at least send a message and then see if you can share the stuff or not. Shouldn't be a big problem these days. But yeah, it usually goes with the license. If you have like any open license, you should be fine. Files Files are not to be added to any online collection without permission. The same thing as in here. Files are not to be redistributed via email, CD, or any other media form for profit or otherwise, so non-commercial in this case. Files are not to be repackaged and redistributed in any form other than as done by the original author. So you might as well just say, if you actually want to share stuff, ask for permission first, and that would actually replace most of this. Not to be altered, tampered with, stripped, or redistributed, either singly in part, in whole, almost like VHS at this point, like those VHS tapes, getting those messages saying like you do anything with that's not inside of your house, you'll get shot by FBI mostly. README files are to be left intact at all times, even when specific permission may have been received to redistribute. So no changes in there. Authors are to be contacted personally regarding any use of their work beyond its specified and intended purpose. Which the main problem is that when you actually try to request a permission, you'll probably end up not getting any permission at all, because you cannot get any, you can easily get ghosted, and then what? You cannot use it anywhere else, you cannot share it. So what happens at that point? I think that might be the main problem. Then you might consider it as abandonware if there is like literally nothing going on with some of the files, at least in this case. Okay, back to this. We should start finding some stuff in here. Email, register, help, frequently asked questions, my site polls, home, newest things. Let's go with that. Hopefully something. Oh, okay. Whoa, that's actually cool. We actually have a clock, like animated clock, a clock around your mouse. That's very nice. So you have date, time, and an analog clock. I actually should try that out for once maybe. And this is made in front page 3. So let me see if there's like some script part that usually mentions this. And I need to find the clock part. Okay, so that should be it. So this is basically for the clock. Wait. So that's the Silk Clock Tree by Kurt Grigg. Let's see if I can actually check this out. Just a moment. Build. Okay, never mind. So that's not available unless there's still something in here. Apparently nothing. Just a last shot. Nothing. So bad, but this is still kind of cool. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Newest things, preview download. So people ask about the clock. Oh, click here to find it. Yeah, that's based. Oh wait, that's. Oh. Welcome to Kurt's DA HTML. DA stands for dynamic HTML in this case. Last updated on Monday, 22nd July 2002. Today's okay, today is not Tuesday, 23rd June 2020. That's basically just based on my clock in here. Not a question why is it like that, but yeah. So the following scripts have been only tested on PC, not Mac. That's nice. With Windows 95 to 98, Internet Explorer 4 to 6, Netscape 4.6 to 4.75, and partially 6.1. If you're not using any of the above, you might experience HTML and or HTML problems. In extreme cases, such as a screen freeze, press Ctrl Alt Delete together to close the page. You're using Internet Explorer version 5.5. Do you want to continue? Yeah. And nice. You have lots of things in here. Let's just check the clock. It should be called like silly clock. This is a still. Whoa. Oh, it works. Minutes, seconds, and hours. Wow, that's actually awesome. So it's actually setting the whole full screen, allowing you even to get the script. Okay, that's not actually available, and I actually have to exit the full screen, and I cannot actually remember how to actually exit the full screen. Oh, well, god damn it! No, no, no. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, let's go back and close the window like that. So how to actually switch to the full screen? It's F11, but I did press F11 and then it didn't work. Alright, we'll get back to this. We'll check out some of the stuff in here. So, let's see. Butterflies, unicorns. Let's check out the butterflies. Red and yellow stars. A bit of Soviet experience, maybe. Purple, green stars, Pegasus, and butterflies. Alright, let's see for the butterflies first, because we picked butterflies. Never mind. So that's not found, and let me check. I kinda have a feeling that it's going to end up being all of it being kinda not found. Anything maybe? This is usually what I hate. Like you find so many good things and then you end up actually with nothing. So I've spent like maybe 15 minutes already to actually browse everything else except for actual downloading stuff. It cannot be that everything is like not available at this point. Even though you might be able to actually like extract the cursor and all the icons from the image on its own, but I think that's JPEG, and yeah, it's JPEG and it's usually going to be terrible. There seems to be even more, but I mean, it kind of looks nice. So for the Christmas and windows and the butterflies from before, but at this point it seems that nothing is accessible. So let me just check in here. I'm just fetching the link from here, and I'll try to open a new window and see what's going on. So it's actually going with so what's this? So there is something in here, but let me see what's wrong. Desktop download. It's in JavaScript, even though it mentions Visual Basic script, and I'm a bit. Oh wait, no, it's just an error on their side when it was actually stored. Let me check the desktop download site. So in here actually can actually get all this possible stuff, but it only depends on the case if actually anything was actually cached by Internet Archive at this point. So that's kind of even difficult to even to say if there is anything here. But like you can see, there are many links in here, many sites. So there's no way that something might be missing in this case. Actually, that there's like absolutely nothing stored as any file. So we'll probably have to dig around and maybe find something. And I maybe have to actually develop some utility to dig around the web in some way. I'll probably have to do that. Like I should actually like add some kind of like override where I can actually just write down and see if Internet Archives has stored anything underneath that URL or not, but that's kind of still far-fetched at this point. Okay, let's go back. We'll keep this open still. Let's go back for a bit and see if we can actually get anything else. This is all okay, nothing in here. Just maybe one thing. No, wait, this is waves. Pool, patriotic, cool angels. Well, we might as well just check out maybe some previous, maybe. It should be sufficient. Or maybe wallpaper. At least that's a plain image. So that should not be the problem. So wait, what category was this? Illusion. From within, House of Snowflake, Starlight, Skylight, makes this world, Illusion, and Alien City. Ah, jeez. Apparently everything is like broken at this point. But we might as well apply the wallpaper. So I think this was usually made in utility called Bryce. So you can actually like make some 3D environment with lots of slick effects like that. With the walls mostly. So, but we can still like set it as wallpaper. So this can still work the most classical way. If you cannot actually get the actual wallpaper, then just get the thumbnail as the background. Easy as that. What else? Let's see for the 8-ball. So what's this? Actually, I have no idea which page is this exactly. I did click on the theme for the 8-ball and they have like something like this. So it actually says download easy skins. Oh, and download for screens and themes. There's also the size for the image in here. So I assume these are the themes. Oh, and what's this? General warning, missing phone calls while online can be hazardous to your social life. Solution, hear who's calling while you're online with CallWave. Click here to download CallWave's free internet answering machine. Which I don't know where this goes. Yeah, never mind. Okay, let's see. I believe in here. Let's see. Is this going to work? Nope. Second link. Nope. It's always a dead end at this point. I have no idea if anyone actually has something stored in here like this. It's like some of these are kind of unique, or actually have no idea. I have never seen any of these themes at all. They might be still somewhere on archive. Like if you try to dig in the software repository, you might be able to find something, but at this point, not much. Okay, please tell me that I can actually download the 8-ball maybe. Let me check the logs. I mean, still trying to download from easythemes.com and that still fails. Like everything on here is missing. Yeah, everything is just returns not found. Either that or I have something screwed up, seriously screwed up with my Wayback Machine proxy server. Okay, well, just let me try something. Just for the sake of checking out, let me check if there's still something wrong with me or it's actual server. So let me just check for the download. There is something saved. Let me check. It goes to the redirect. No. So it actually goes to one more server, which basically is unavailable. But there is something in here that might exist. Let me just check for a moment. Okay, let me just get one URL in this case. So go back to this. Actually, one more window open. Now, so this is actually what I managed to find when I checked the logs. Like, it actually managed to redirect to this. Actually, that's not the greatest way to say it. So I've tried to search on Wayback Machine for all possible URLs for the specific URL in this case to see if there is anything, and it managed to find that. So let me see what's this actually. I think it's like Easter egg, or or I just hope it's not something not safe for work, like Easter cutie. Like I just hope it may be just a bunny, just not with tits maybe. So this, oh yeah, so this is probably wrapped with some adware. Ah yeah, the gator. Yeah, let's accept that. Let's well check if there's something else going on with this. Need to check something. Okay. Agree, and say that should be the installer. The joy of this instance comes not from a bunny generous enough to hide eggs and leave candy. The joy of this season comes from the tomb found empty so many years ago. Jesus died for our sins, but he rose again in victory over death. Praise God. Have you found the joy in the empty tomb yet? Have you joined in the victory? Please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns. Check the manual. More questions to annagillian@email.com. For more of my themes, check the homestead.com theme gallery. Anna Gillian. Install. Would you like to visit the site? Like, yeah. Oh, it has moved, and oh, loading. Welcome. Kind of. Not sure if it's just me or it's kind of semi broken. To fun and beautiful desktop decorations. Well, this is actually wrong layout. So this should be top. This should be the bottom. But it's kind of went the odd way. Like this went kind of in the left. Oh yeah, we should be able to enter here. And oh yeah, the theme gallery. We might as well have some luck in here instead. But we didn't check out the theme. Let me go back in here and check the themes. So that should be Easter Cutie. Oh. Okay, this could have gone a bit wrong. Oh, he's risen. So this is more for religious than what I was actually thinking that it was. All right, let's apply the visuals in this case, and maybe hope for the best. There's also the screensaver which I didn't check out. Why do I actually remember that sounds for some reason? Happy Easter! It actually fits the date. It's been like 2 weeks since Easter, I think. Oh, and there's this cutie screensaver. Oh, please contact me if I may share with you how very much Jesus loves you. Okay, I think I remember where's the sound effect from, but it's from some game at least that I remember playing. But nothing much else at this point. Let me just... Right, I'll leave this at the end maybe of the stream. So, oh, and hey Jacob. Doing this during school days, I'm kind of working, so actually no, I'm done. I'm currently finished with the work like few hours ago at least, so I'm streaming it in this case. Sorry if I'm actually streaming this while someone is still in the school. I don't have school at this point, so I only have work. Yeah, I forgot actually to get back on this. Oh, hold on, back. Oh, god damn it. So where was I? I was in their box place. So let me go back to this. Enter. Oh. Okay, so we were at the newest things. So none of this probably works. We only just try to go with a workaround. So let's see for the teams in here. Oh, so there is many animals, cartoons, fantasy, Christmas, Halloween, Independence Day, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Thanksgiving, Easter, miscellaneous holidays, Native American, miscellaneous, nature. Okay, we actually went for Easter already. Happy Easter dog. Oh, that's with the Bugs Bunny and the Deaf Dog and Tweety. And Easter Blessing. What? I don't think that any of these works. We tried at least one with the Easter theme, but yeah, most of that is dead. Right, let me see if there's still anything else. Screensavers. Again, let's see for the miscellaneous. What's in here? $2 bill. Let's cars, catch a falling star, little angels. Yeah, still nothing. Wait, actually, hold on a sec. Read the terms of this file or click here to download. Yeah, never mind. Maybe it's because of the different timeline. It's kind of may jump. Oh, and happy birthday! Ah, damn it! This could fit for today, maybe. What about logos? Miscellaneous stuff. $2 bill, text monuments. Wait, what's this actually for the logo in this case? Oh, that's for actual startup and shutdown for Windows. Like the startup, waiting for shutdown, and finally you can power it off. What happened to the VM that had scratch on it? This is actually the same virtual machine, but I've reverted back to I've changed back the snapshot to the initial state. I usually do this because I don't want to actually put more trash in the virtual machine that I need. So I try to keep this clean as much as possible, so I don't actually cause more trouble in the future. Like, okay, I actually have few apps in here already, but they were kind of I actually installed them like initially for as a utility purpose, for utility purposes at least. What's this? This is Internet Explorer skins. I mean, most of this probably won't be available, so let me check in this for free things. Stacy stuff, free tools, KMU ebook store, as well as validating outfits, 3D text maker, cool text, giftworks, desktop themes. Yeah, many things in here. Yeah, let me check. There's also animations, so let me just say, oh, not available. Never mind. Go back. Free antivirus. No, that's for pop-ups, anywhere, and other stuff. Okay, let me check something else now. Oh, the pop-up under title. Wait, what's this? Never mind. Go to my pc.com, but yeah, never mind. Let's just... Okay, let's see. So for the team gallery, let's see if we can actually find something in here, maybe. For the screensavers. And maybe teams. And this is, I think that's actually forgot. Oh yeah, Dragonfly, I think, as the cursor. It's kind of odd that you can actually see so many of those old websites, including some kind of custom stuff, or actually like custom trails on their website. But I think that's Yeah, that's basically what people were doing back then. Uh, Jake, okay, so for the Scratch project on stream, I don't think I was considering doing that, Jacob, but I was only trying to like to find some Scratch projects in this case, so I can actually check them out. But at this point, I'll probably keep that for some other time, if there is any other time. Okay, let me check. This is for the four-leaf clover. Oh no, no, just shamrock screensaver, but yeah, no, that's no. Candy corner, maybe. Nope. Hmm. Yeah, I have to dig again. So let me check. Uh, it's kind of depressing that most of the cool images that you can find, and you end up with no download. Uh, there might be a few stuff that should be available to download, but I don't think it's possible in this case. Okay, let me try just reopening all the stuff and see if anything is going to actually provide something. No, it's all internal error. I mean, internal error in this case is basically not found. I've just returned it like that because I don't have anything else. Alright, let's go back. Actually, let me see. Actually, let me try to get the stuff from the Wayback Machine. So there is actually something mentioned like this, so it might work. Hmm. Oh, god damn it. I'm actually doing it wrong. Like, there are some results for easyteams.com, but they usually just very direct and then they don't exist. Hey, Marmal. Uh, oh, god damn it. I keep changing the layout. I only changed like the layout to make this a bit more smaller, to make it more fit. So this is for the team's paintings. Is this at least maybe available for download? I actually should make something that actually can identify if URL is actually accessible or not, because at this point I have no idea if it's available. So that causes a bit more trouble. So I'm just getting a dead end, one by one. So what's this? Americana? Oh, 4th of July. World Trade Center Pentagon tributes. Oh, there is something. Girls God, this is a beautiful patriotic look at the beautiful patriotic look at the tragedies of September 11th, 2001. And I cannot actually read this text, apparently. Wait, can I actually even open this? That's strange. Where was God? Apparently nowhere. But this is strange. I tried to click the link in here and it doesn't let me. I mean, that's kind of awkward. So you have it like, oh wait. Oh wait, that makes no sense. So there's like some minor difference in here. Like it says like open link in black color, and in this case it's kind of highlighted. So I assume this is enabled, but this is disabled. But that makes no sense because why will not be able to actually cut and copy the shortcut or even paste? Okay, that's awkward already. Yeah, it's a proxy over Wayback Machine. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I think that we're going kinda on a dead end most of the time. So let me see if there's still something else that the connection browse. Now, yeah, maybe something over here. Let's go with screens and teams. Maybe we'll get something in here. There should be a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff for getting the download. Winner has been detected. Do you want free gambling tips and prizes? Yes or no? If you click on anything, it will just open the link. And this is a real media advertisement which leads to actually it should link to winneronline.com like this. Goddamn redirects. Oh, one more pop-up. Okay, close that. Oh, yeah, so just gambling tips and all that, just a waste of time. Max comps, free bet. Money, 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 blah. What did I click now? Teams Unlimited, yeah, no. Top desktop teams. Wait, that's actually the link. Oh, and there's one more pop-up. Whoa, members only, free preview. Oh, god damn it. Already not safe for work stuff. If you can actually see this, it's most likely not safe for work bikini stuff. Maybe after school I'm going to send over a zip file of Scratch projects written on 1st April. Half of them are being made by me in 2023 for entertainment purposes only in Discord. We'll see about that, Jacob, for now. Maybe not at this point, maybe in the future. Just keep that as a note. Free mousepad, download, what's this? Choose the music they dance on your desktop. MP3 dancer. Why do I actually have a feel that I will regret this? Should be fine. Let's see, desktop teams. Whoa. God damn it. So this is going to pop up every single time, I could bet. Let's see for the games. Okay, it did not open this time. Age of Empires team. Oh, wait a second. Windows 98 on the FTP. And unfortunately, Wayback Machine doesn't have any support for FTP. So let's see if there's anything from here. Nope. Maybe that's not the best option. Okay, what's actually on windows98.com? The top sharer and freeware apps with screenshots. And there should be something still, but let me just check for a bit if I can actually download anything. I'll check like one more small thing. Like I have up to like 4 windows already, and I still didn't manage to download anything specific besides of the Easter theme. Wait, this, what's actually this for agent? Oh yeah, that's actually that can work. Actually, let me just download this for the sake of it. Oh, for the agent, which should be like Usenet client, which is like the news server, like having Outlook, basically something like this, I think. Okay, let's run it. Very nice theme. Or splash screen, if you can say. Yeah, let's just begin evaluating and exit because I don't have any network, any news server online. So never mind about that. Okay, so this works. So there should be something for Teams, right? Desktop utility, web browser add-on. Anything else in here? Wallpapers, themes, screensavers. Let's see for the desktop utility maybe. Dashboard 95. Excellent powerful toolbar. Yeah, let's get that. Uh-oh. I don't like this. God damn it, this broke. Yeah, it broke. So that's nothing. Did this work? No, that's not found. Wind shade. Just will by clicking on the time them all. Oh, god damn it. Is there anything that works? I don't know what to say. Well, I could not say that we are installing malware at this point, because even if I try to download malware, it gets to the point where I actually cannot download it because it's missing. Oh, here it is. Here's something. Trade Day 95. Oh, I actually don't remember that Windows Teams were able to replace this. So that's actually the first time, either the first time I see it, or I actually forgot about it. So that's a thing. Oh. So that's a cool option. Okay, let's see. Let's install. Trade a trial. Install. Yeah, every time you run, write finish and evaluation. Click OK, continue. The icon. Click here on the website where you can purchase online and have your registration code emailed to you instantly. And that's basically it, I think. So that's just the movable portable date. You just click twice and so double click and you get it. Oh, sorry. Everything is going wrong today. So show and hide calendar, that's basically it. Nothing else. Okay, you can actually change the icon, which might be nice. Even though you can just double click in here and you can see the date, the calendar again, but this is more practical if you actually consider. This icon looks okay. Calendar, the week, format. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect screens. Multiple virtual screen and very nice toolbar app. Oh, and we can actually get it. Oh dear god, so many things. Very strange sound effects from this theme still. Let's see, that should be this. Yeah, okay. And let's see, perfect screens. Oh, and it ended like this on the side. Basic font, screen buttons, quickly switch to different screen desktop, right click to customize. Yes, so that should be like this. Add to screen. Each screen has its own set of items. Right click here to customize. Perfect screens can be configured several different ways as the resizable floating toolbar. So I should be able to move this maybe around. Is it possible to move this? Okay, so this is like, whoa, this will change some of your settings. Yeah, do you want to proceed? Yeah, proceed. Okay, what about other options? Oh, so that's basically just in here. Oh, come on. Okay, let me just go back to the initial state. So if I try to select this, you can actually see that it's switching the screens. So when I actually try like using this, so it will switch between virtual screens. So this is basically hiding and showing the windows overall. Not quite special, but still nice. Alright, let me close this and this. And there's a button to move to screen, I think. Move and copy to all screens, but oh, and that moves the screen. Okay, that's nice. Kinda, maybe kinda inconvenient though. Wait, where's the button now? Oh, maybe it's still kinda complex for me. There's so many things I can do. But yeah, that's still kinda fine. So we'll keep that. Enable a pop-up blocker if you're installing malware at this point. 1.4. Yeah, sorry. I'm very lost at this point. I'm just like trying to download stuff and check them out. Because oh wait, that's FTP, that's going to be skipped. Preview download. Desk list. Nope, it's more than no longer available. God damn it. Post it. Oh wait, no. From here. We get it. And open. Oh. Another blue screen. Accept license, yeah. Go on, check, install. No updates. And done. So just sending a note, and this is kind of weird. Like there's something behind this, and so how does that work? So like I try to move the window. Wait, how do you move the window? Whoa. Okay, I'm very confused now. Oh, and oh, okay, I'm either confused on how this works, or it's actually going even mess. It's making a bit more bigger mess. Just click on note and type something, but and that's it. All right. Shutdown and fast exit. Yeah, that's not needed. Clipmate, smartboard. Let's see for smartboard. Page not found. Nothing again. One for computer demonstration instruction utilities, speech chalkboard, mouse pie, snapshot, and quick sounds. Can this work? No. Icon Edit Pro, that's basically just for editing icons, I assume. But yeah, that's nothing still. Toolbar 2000. Nope. It even actually has the domain toolbar.com, so that may be one of the most major ones. The superior toolbar. And can you actually download it? More than a toolbar, click on the red button switch. Accessories, mouse the cursor. Free trial, let's get that if we can. Oh no, you actually cannot because it actually requires writing down your name and all that damn stuff. And no luck. Another calendar in here, let's see. Yeah, that's going to not work. You can have as many programs as you cannot actually even get it in separate virtual screens. Again, Bombshell, it does what the start menu of Windows 95 does, but in a better way. Can we get that? Okay, we can. Let's try that out. Get it all out. Oh, it should be on the desktop, I think. So how does this work? So it's a shell. What it is, yada yada, license. Startup, yes. Run it. Oh, in less than 5 minutes. First time you're install it, upgrading from previous version, quick tour, setting up. Whoa, that's not even for 5 minutes. So is this like basically just setting like buttons for doing stuff? So like try this in here and you run it. So I think that's it. So it's basically just like a small utility to quick as a how to say, basically just like a start button from here. Like you click here and then you run something. It's just that this is like a window in this case. Yeah, I cannot say that it's like a fake Windows, but it's one of those apps that you can just that are just plain launchers. Alright, we went quite far with this. Is there any for... No, that's basically just the utilities again. What's for relaxation and fun then? What's tracks? Music player, sky map. Can actually sky map work in here? No. Paper airplanes, piano professor. Okay, let's see that. No. Guitar teacher, professional bartender. I don't feel that's going to work. Now you're cooking. Recipe menu and shopping. Nope. Cross change, geo clock. Maybe this. If this doesn't work, then we're not going to try. Yeah, nothing. Alright, let's see. So, desktop themes, is there anything else? Download here. And I feel it's not going to work. Wait, something's opening. Oh, this is opening and it doesn't work. Okay, let me just close this because most of these things are apparently not going to work well, as far as I'm aware. Okay, what's with theirs maybe? Okay, not found. What about teams in here? Whoa. I think this is like one of those transition effects, but I'm not actually sure. I'll probably maybe explain it in the future, but for now, let's enter this. So this easy things. Okay, so even that's out of function. Oh. Okay, so it's not an effect. Wait. So this is just basically just a script, I think. Yeah, just animation. So even back then you were actually able to animate stuff. It wasn't like a big thing though. Okay, let me close this also. Oh yeah, that's the thing in here. So that's the actual place that we were stuck with. So let me check out some of the stuff in here. So this is called the HTML page with scripts that can be used by anyone as long as the credits name remain tagged at the top of the script when it's used. So let's see. Let's try fireworks. Yeah, fireworks, that works. Maybe just some small, but not quite special. Okay, for a smoke ring. Hold on a sec. Oh. It's actually like supposed to be a smoke, but you actually see like an image, missing image fading effect. So if you actually replace this with an actual image of smoke, it will work. So what about more morph spin? Oh, so basically it spins around the mouse. Oh, okay, that's cool. Whoa. Okay, I don't get it. Like, okay, actually, I should get it because back then, not many people were using animations like this. Maybe few, but like these days, usually we have like HTML5, CSS3, and with lots of animations along with the JavaScript script on its own. So even at this point, you were actually able to animate stuff, but I don't think that it was well supported. So basically, this kind of worked only on few browsers. So I think that's kind of maybe the issue in this case. Like it's possible to make it work with Internet Explorer maybe at least, but other browsers will probably break. So this is the color finder. Let's see. Oh, so this is just basically trying to pick a color in this case. Not much special. Let's check last comment. Oh, that's nice. So this is just like maths. You just only have to like set it up in a way that it goes around the mouse, and then just apply some maths in this case, and that's it. But this is actually cool to do something like that. Hey Simon, crosshairs. That's basically for determining the position. So I think it's like it should be like driving like the top down, left and right, and that's it. Not sure if it's drawing or not, but fair enough. So this is what was this? More spin with images, which of course are missing. So once again you get the missing images effect. We all hail the missing images. 3D space trip. Works on Netscape 6, limited to 20 stars here as my computer is very old. However, it's been tested on a Pentium 3 500 and ran jerk-free with 60 stars. So this is actually quite cool. Like those how to say, flying through stars screensaver, except that it's like in the browser. Oh, and I can actually speed it up by dragging. I think that might be the fault of the virtual machine. Very cool still. And some all stars again. Let's do anything. Okay, so that's nothing much else. Flash orbit. Oh. So basically these are like templates for others to actually just use so that they can actually have some sort of fun stuff. Even though it's like something small, but I think the goal was that to just provide some templates so that others can just copy paste it without any modifications. That's pulse and spin. And lottery picker. Let's see. We've written for all lottery variations currently set for 6 from 1 to 49. Yeah, that's one of the lottery variations. So let's see. Lottery lucky dip. 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 42. Okay, that's very awkward. So basically it goes like 28, then plus 2, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and plus 11, no, plus 9. I just hope that these are not actual lucky numbers at some point. Okay, more stars again. I think this is one without images. Yeah, once again. Ooh. Border color, I think that's just for the side. Internet Explorer only page border script. Just copy and paste immediately after your body tag. Not a fan of, not a kind of fan of that. Oh, and this is a post spin script with images. What else? What else? Not again. What's that? So I don't have any idea what's supposed to be with this. Let me check from here. Okay, I cannot actually check the here, so I'll try this to see what does this thing work. So it should load an image, position, layer name, Netscape. If it's Internet Explorer 4, position curve, move random. I just assume it's like supposed to be a window that you cannot actually click. Multi effects 1. It's just spinning around. Just take note, this is like the going around the whole screen, not just like one part of the screen. Usually most of the pages back then were only for Internet Explorer with fixed size of the page, like 800, 600, and it won't interact anywhere else. Type text, let's see this. This script is configured to be placed in the normal HTML flow. If you start using this spans to position it, things can get tricky in Netscape. To use it, all you have to do is alter the surrounding table width and height to fit your message. Temporarily set the border to 1 as a guide. Okay, start. Wake up, Bill, Ted, Tether, Neo. So it should go with metrics maybe? Or that's it. Let me check the script. Wait, this one probably doesn't work. Okay, go back, get the script in here. Yeah, make up new in here and that's all. So it's probably just one line. Okay, type text, multi-effects 3. So changing the colors, position, keeping with circle. So this is very close like to those, how to say, demos, I think. Just in HTML and JavaScript. What's next? Wait, move random. Remove, click on approve to get image. I did click and as far as I'm aware, it doesn't load anything, so and yeah, that's this point it's kind of broken. Okay, we were stuck at random trapped. What's trapped? Choose our image, angle, and speed. Oh, so it's just once of the screen, and I can actually make it faster in this case. Pretty. So just again with the effects, just spinning around. When I was browsing the web back then, I didn't actually see that, and actually didn't see anything like that still. It's here quite rare. Oh, space trip, another one. Oh, I can actually see some of the stuff in here that's probably used as a template. Actually, no, as a placeholder in some way. Just make the screen visible. So mouse comment tool. Oh, oh, that's actually cool. Like some fire effect, fire trail effect. That's usually nice. Oh, lazy mouse. Set to clear after 30 seconds. Any message here clears after a set time. So this should disappear soon. Just a few moments. How much did it even pass by this time? Or does it even fade, or it just disappears? Oh, it's gone. Kill mouse attack. Let's wait. Pretty spaceship, mouse cover 2, lazy mouse. Okay, and that's lazy mouse, so what's mouse attack? Oh, so that's like more like snake. Oh, and actually touch it gets killed. Wee. Yee-hoo. Okay, intro splash. So is that it, or is there something else still? Oh, so I think it has like few more stuff. But so there is something still in here, like a file. Recent introduction page, pointing out must-have features your visitors are something about to marvel in the following website extravaganza. When finished, the first page of the site is automatically loaded. What I have to do to use it: type the name of the URL of the page you want to load to the destination. Replace the words so you're seeing now with your own. Choose a font, size, yada yada. Time. Then the name of the page will be described, so index.html, yada yada. And that's it, you're done. And that's all. So just more text to write. Trio, one more mouse effect. Universal Lotto, so picking from various numbers from 1 to 100. One is ball, yeah, and play. And that's all you can actually get. Trio tree. One more with effect, mouse effect. Useless message. Oh, so slowly just, how to say, getting around until it actually connects. Oh, wait, it disappears. Oh, so that's the point. So you actually cannot even figure out what's the actual message unless you check the code, which is useless message. Wait, no. Oh, so this is the actual message. kurtgrig@virgin.net. Bats on black. Oh, that's not possible. Oh, wait a second. I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck with this now. Let me check. Can I close this or... Whoa. So how do I actually close now this one exactly? Let me check. Let me also take a copy of this just in case. Terminate this one of the windows. Which one is it? This it's with a dash. Okay, we are fine. We were stuck on bets on black or wait, yeah, bets on black. So let's see, try to wait. We did have try to. Alright, so that means I'm missing up the stuff. Expanding fading scroll link. Explore only, so give escapers an alternative link. Oh, so that's just in here. So that's broken, kinda. Failing bets, standard lock. I cannot. Oh, there it is. There's the clock. Welcome message. Whoa! Oh dear God, that's large. Welcome to who needs flash? Yeah, Kurt's The HTML. Okay, got it. Site. Oh dear, this is large as hell. And it works without Flash. Over 80 scripts. Free. Actually, I cannot find the text. Oh, scripts. Oh, scripts to use on your web pages. Your web pages. And that's it. I'll agree that the useless message is kind of cruel because you actually have to try to somehow make sure that you can actually collect all of the characters and still make sure that you can actually solve the text. Unless you can check it with the source. Then it's kind of... yeah. Monsters 2... I think it's... oh. This is more relative, I think. Animation. And Silk Clock. Yeah, that's one. That's not exactly the one that we have seen on the other website, but it's close. So it's kind of more simple. But this is nice to actually replace the text. Actually replace the hands with the text, which says now, as the note says, which is actually seconds. So snow. Yeah, besides of actually having the space effect, now we have snow effect. What's a bat? Oh, that's bats. Oh, damn it. That's bats on black. Bats on white. Bats on white. Oh, that's the bats, which basically you cannot see, and it's actually loading kind of a lot of stuff. Sorry. Okay, it's I'm checking the logs for a bit and it actually kind of went crazy and it opened that page, so I assume it's just trying to download something, it fails, and then it tries to reach and tries to get it again, and then it also fails. So we were stuck on snow, simple navigation bar. Oh wait, you see the mouse, like the mouse in here is like upside down. Okay, not a big deal. Autumn leaves. So this should be just, yeah, those images, and then it just falls around. It's nice to see that this is actually kind of still visible, besides the actual falling effect. I actually remember some sites using like the falling snowflake effect for this. Like just falling down like this. In this case it's just leaves, but it was using the snowflake. So what's multi-random? Bubbles. Oh, I think this is like supposed to be like those bubbles from Windows 7 and Vista. Like you just like imagine them as bubbles and fly around. This will be actually nice to have. I actually think that it's having a good idea to actually remake all of this. Like we have actually HTML5 at this point, and we have all of those effects that could be actually applied to a modern web. Well, modern as in putting it on those sites like yeah, NeoCities. I keep forgetting everything. Burberry, Silk Snow, multi-random, 3D Space Strip 2. Oh, this is kind of large, but that's from the rear view. Maybe not the best. Email stalker. We're here to email. Oh. Oh, it follows you. Underwater W. Underwater mouse. The GIF bubble image used here is only suitable for white backgrounds. Oh. Actually, it's cool. You can actually like set up the blue black background and have the bubbles like this. This is cool. There's so many good ideas on this page. Multi-random 2 is... The difference between this and multi-random is lots of different images can be used. The different dimensions are automatically taken care of, so all rebounds are accurate. Okay, that's maybe the kind of the same thing. Fix the web page. Oh, that's actually still cool. Nice to see that you're kind of enjoying this, Nicholas. If that's still fine. Sorry if I'm trying to still like browse this part, because everything in here at least kind of works on it just works. Everything else that I've tried to browse for the on this place basically kind of broke. So I'm just trying to check out this because it still works, it's fine, and everything else. If you actually have a note that anything else to say, feel free to comment at this point. Still, I'm glad that you're kind of enjoying this. If you still are. Oh, and these are the flakes with these are the snowflakes that I mentioned from before. So they are the falling snowflakes. Where is that snow? Dropbox pop-up. Whole thing is a 1-inch lump of script and fully configurable. Auto close of pop-up on download of main page space with needed. So if I try to close the window, yeah, so it's going to close. So I think that's like a bit more different functionality in here. So basically you get multiple pop-ups in here, which you cannot actually even keep them open, but when you close the window they should be all gone. Yeah. Thanks, Simon, for the feedback about this page. But yeah, I'm still wondering about remaking all of this. Actually, I can only imagine. I cannot write JavaScript that well, but it should be an option to do it. This is still kind of cool. Okay, we were at snow, simple note, yeah, autumn leaves. Wait a second. Message watermark. Oh, that's nice. Like this is a nice effect. Even though it's still kind of possible to write the text, to copy the text. More stars tree. Oh, this is nice variant. Like they are actually now floating and glowing, actually growing. Useless message too. Oh. Now this is actually a combination of space and useless message. Kinda cool. Actually, not kinda, quite cool. Netpad. Oh, I think I know what this could be. Like probably if you know about those like netcat, like Neko cat, like that can actually drag around, but but apparently it's not. It's just like the pet in here, and I think I'm getting an overkill in my logs. So it's actually keeping requesting the same image over and over, which is kind of troubling. I should try to fix that maybe, or I actually just try to provide some template maybe. I'll have to see about maybe in the future. Okay, Monstars tree. I think that's the same one we actually saw. I'm just trying to jump around. Slideshow should be just switching between images, I think. Yeah, nothing more, nothing special. Rollovers. Oh, I think this is supposed to like load the image while going in here, but it doesn't work. So we cannot actually see that. Rollers, busy web page. And this is a busy page for black backgrounds, but you're actually missing the fizzy icon. Space tree. Okay, this is the one with the space, but Now it's like with colors, and it seems that these colors are actually actual dots. So let me just check in here. I just want to see the what's actually used in this case. Oh, so it actually uses the globe effect in here, which I think it's most likely for Microsoft only. Yeah, it's Internet Explorer 5 only, Internet Explorer only, so I think it uses just the globing effect. Okay, underwater B. Oh, so it's again the one with the underwater, but with missing images again. You could actually make this work with PNG, I think, on modern browsers, as far as I'm aware. Okay, so scroll surprise. So what if I scroll? Oh, okay, that's trippy. If you actually don't know, in Internet Explorer you can actually decorate the scroll bar in this case. So in some places you can actually see that the scroll bars are not the same as the part of the theme. So if you actually check in here, this is the actual default. But over here you can see that it's colored differently. So that's the kind of case. I can actually show another example, I think. Oh, so never mind. Let me just try to open on the website. I think I'll try to open ESET's website. Let me check which one is it. I think it's not 2.com. Oh, okay, that's Slovakia for some reason. Okay, let's try ESET. I think it's SK. Okay, it's redirecting ESET. And yeah, as you can see, ESET's website uses like the cyan greenish blue variant of the scrolling page. So that's kind of actually, that's actually the feature of Internet Explorer in this case. I don't know if you can actually see it in this code. So let me check. I think there is one specific area for it, unless it's either it might be there or it might be in CSS maybe, but yeah, it's not actually directly in here still. Okay. Okay, we'll go back to this. So we were on we were on the scroll surprise, which is, oh dear god. Actually, the selection of this goes like from upside down. No, from top to the bottom. It's not going like from the left to the right, but from the top to the bottom. So I was stuck in watermark, slideshow, space, busy web page, matrix, scroll surprise, buttons. Oh, okay. So this is only for buttons. Oh, but yeah. Usually there's like a problem with the buttons. I think that you cannot actually even make them properly on all browsers. So what's text type 3? Text variation with message fade out. Ooh, that's nice. Explorer only, other browsers will see nothing. Oh. Get this more and more at Kurt's free original HTML, JavaScript, and the link then. Then alter nothing past here. Right, close that. So what's with memory? This should be kind of compatible with more. Click the buttons and repeat the pattern show. Best score is 9. Okay, play. And okay, it's broken for me because I cannot even figure it out because it's missing the images again. Okay, so your memory buttons, scroll surprise, text type 2, so this should be another fading effect. I mean typing and fading. Explorer and Netscape text type script with an animated cursor. You solved it like with the slashes. Multiple messages as many as you want. Adjustable font, color, size, and message display time. The message area is relatively placed, so you can position it in the normal HTML flow. And get this again in Quartz HTML script site. Now for the forms. If you like form scripts, then you should find this interesting. First off, this isn't ready to use and cut and paste, and not suitable for beginners. So it's a collection of methods that perform just about every check method that I can think of. The idea is that you pick out of the bits that you like and adapt them for your form. So you can check for empty boxes, minimum maximum length, numbers only, email space remover, swearing or any other non-wanted words, full email formatting, and let's see. Okay, let's go with this. So it must be completed. And this should be, not sure what this does, but let's see. So let's just go with the name. So we're going with this still. Still missing the name, so let's go with numbers. So okay, and email. Let's test the test. Oh, it says numbers only, but it doesn't allow plus. Email blocks only 3 characters allowed after the last full stop. So you cannot actually use 4, but 3. If you wish to submit this form is being submitted using email. Submitting this form will reveal your email address to the recipient, and yeah, email continue. Oh, holy shit, it's actually going to send something. Hold on a sec. Oh, I think most of the things now froze, or I'm kind of lost. Hold on a sec. Yeah, Outlook Express went completely in mess, and Internet Explorer broke. God damn it. Okay, we need to return back to this. I'm just going to check the code in here. So let me see. So for the swearing first. So for the checking, it checks for the following swearing: anus, arse, bastard, bitch, box, clit, cock, crap, cunt, fuck, spunk, minge, fanny, shit, wanker, piss, and fat. I am doomed actually now at this point. So please remove the swear word if you actually have it. It checks the all boxes. So if by any chance you have a name, is there any kind of name that maybe in here is usually used? Yeah, I don't think there is any. I mean, yeah, maybe Fanny is used in some places where it's forbidden. It's used in some places maybe, but that's maybe the closest thing that I would actually realize that it could be someone's actual real name by any chance. I don't know all the checks in here, but yeah, I only wanted to check what was actually used for swearing. Okay, so standard clock 2 over here. Still nice. Silly clock 3, and that's the one we actually had on that website. Very cool. Woo. The ripple text. Oh, that's the another. Woo. Wee. Wait, can you actually get the message? Explorer and Netscape ripple text. So it works around 24 clock. Oh, okay, that's actually nice. So you actually have the clock with minutes and hours, and that's in 24 format. That's usually a rare thing to see. Drag and drop. Solid basic drag and drop script. It's going to be used as a foundation for jigsaws and games, etc. do not use with other scripts that use more sound or the op. Well, if, as much as I would like to try that out, it's basically just the moving the broken images again. It could be still possible to use. Then it's 12 hour clock. That's actually with the design phase that's probably broken. It may be actually like, yeah, it's 24 clock, but or it's actually 12 clock. Oh, it's actually both. So you have actual 24 and actually have 12 clock also. Actually, I mean 12 and 24-hour clock in one place. Still clock 4. This one seems to be clean with just the timer on. Maybe a more different effect. I'm not sure. Searchlight. Oh, oh, okay, that's nice. So it's basically an image, like spotlight image, which I assume has like the transparent circle, and everything around that is like a background. You can see the small difference between it. Okay, I'm not sure if you can actually see it on your own. Okay, let me see if we can actually magnify it so you can actually see it properly. So I'll run magnifier, and is there a magnifier? Oh, wait a second. It's in full screen, so you cannot actually see it. Never mind. So basically this is actually working in a way so that you can actually find the text in here. Very nice. Oh, and you can now see it. Mouse commit to tree. Use move mouse to the edges to see a sparkle effect. Okay, there are some effects in here, I think. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Maybe a bit more difficult, but oh, damn it. Breakout tree. So this should be like a game. And this is completely in script, I think. Oh, and it's very slow. Hold on a second, maybe I can... I cannot speed it up, so it's very, very slow. I mean, it works, but... oh wait, we can actually speed it up. Okay, that's nice. That's better. Oh. Already got lost 2 balls. 2 more, 3 more at least, and we'll be done. Come on. Just 1 more, and we're done. Yes. Yes, good. No need. The ball splitting, yeah. Sorry, I didn't find it until I actually realized what it is. I felt like these are all the like fixed values. So what's knockout? Oh no, I think this is like the same thing. Okay, let's see. Oh, oh gee. Okay, that's actually insanely difficult now at this point. So let's try a bit slower. Okay, maybe that's too slow still. Oh, okay, let's try 10. 15. Oh, it's very awkward to see the speed difference now. Like I set it to 15 and it's very fast, but when I try to set it like to 10, it was still kind of slow. Very odd, very odd breakout game in this case. And it's not easy. At least on this speed. Like, you try to move the mouse and you actually have to make sure that you follow up the ball in all corners. Yeah, for the chess difficulty, you're kind of right. And I'll most likely lose. And I lose. Damn it. So what's collision? So I had a lot of email regarding the object collision detection used in breakout and knockout games. For those interested, this page contains just the basic script with an added drag and drop feature for the blocks. Although fairly accurate, you can go to plot at big speeds 50 plus. Oh, so this is like basically the collision detection. Even though it works like basically with squares, but it's still nice. So what's bouncing show? Oh. So basically you get the images and all bouncing around. Search assistant. Choose a country. And okay, yeah, that's not much views. So word clock. Pixel scroll, send time only, and I cannot actually see it, like in this case. So basically, you can actually pick the specific time zone, and then you get the specific time for it. Then image clock, I think that's the one that's going to be broken. Yeah, it's broken here. Oh, so that's the one which actually gets the images in here. And that's broken again. Eyes. Oh, if actually anyone knows about the X-Eyes or actual eyes as a widget on Linux, this is basically it. Very cool. Like, very fun. Water stats. So what's this actually going? So pick a target from 10 to 50 and then click play lotto. Lines of 6 are generated. The first 6 individual numbers are to reach or pass are the target are given. A grid which shows how many times each number has been picked and current most popular numbers. So the first number to be picked, numbers to be picked 10 or more times if more than 6 or 2 numbers were picked equally. 5, 17, 19, 32, 36, and 41. 32 was picked most. 24, 43 were equally picked least. 29 even numbers 59%. 20 odd numbers 41%. 55 lines of lottery numbers were generated. So this is basically like some lottery system. So basically you get like the iterations of generated lotto drawings, and then you get the sets from that in this case. Like if we go for 40, I think you can actually go for 40. Wait, that's actually reset 40. Go. So yeah, it goes with lots of amount of that, and then it's what's the actually most popular, least popular, and all other stats. So basically 30 was mostly picked, 1 was least picked. So yeah, the odds seemed like that 1 and 49 were the least picked and 30 was the most. Actually the 30 is this one, yeah. So then you can actually maybe expect what you should pick, maybe. Yeah, but still, gambling is... okay, lottery is still kind of gambling, so maybe not the best option to do it. I would not recommend. I mean, you can, okay, maybe you can just like go for a ticket maybe per month or week, but don't spend all the money on it. Oh, the spinner basically goes with a mouse, so you can actually spins around. Wee. You can actually change the cursor with that. And now the invaders. For sake of reasonable playability on slow computers, it's supposed to be downgraded to It should look okay. Let's see. I have a feeling that this is not going to end up well because it's missing images, most of it. Not applicable to Opera. And let's see, can we actually play it? Left and right mouse buttons and fire for spacebar. Wait, how do you move with that thing? Okay, I know that I can actually shoot. Oh man. The arrows are not working. Nothing else is actually making it move. So it's kind of broken after all. Okay, for transitions. Oh yeah, random maximum transitions combined with a simple slideshow. There are a few more of these. Oh, it's actually just very small transition here, nothing more. Well, it's actually kind of broken, yeah. And clock variation. Still clock variation, just position it here. Still kind of cool because it rotates around. And I think that's all for the HTML script page. Even though it actually took quite a lot of time to actually check out all of this. So what's this script library? Well, I have a feeling that there's still more. But I think this is enough. Still lots of missing images. Oh. And there are even more scripts now in here. If they work, at least. But everything is missing in here still. In here. Maybe just a few more, few small images, but let's see if there's still something else that we can check out. If not, we'll go back to Google. UFO spaceship. Let's see the demo of that. Kind of expected a bit more. Flying bats. Oh wait, that's the quartz. Which doesn't work because of missing images. And then there's mostly all for court. Well, let's see for the flying hearts. Okay, that's not working. God damn it. Alright, let's see. There's some flash animations, so let's see if there's still anything here. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're done with that one. Let's go back to Google and see if we can actually check out something else. Oh, and I need to lower down this. God damn it, I didn't realize that everything else was kind of large. Sweet. So this is supposed to be... Oh wait, this is still the same size. So it didn't change when it changed. Wait. Oh, it did. I only just screwed that up. Whoops. Okay, back to software, customization, what else? Practice teams. Outstanding desktop teams, screensavers, etc. Yada yada. Ooh, and animated cursor again. Ooh, which is... I don't know what is this. These are roses again, I think. Everything on this site is free, so download and enjoy. Follow the links below to find themes, screensavers, Internet Explorer skins, games and programs. Protected by the Creative Shield. Email Patty Your thumbnail, screensaver games, stationery, download things, brighten someone's day, click on the image about to tell a friend about this site. Oh, and you get a mail. And if you write, and let's see. Oh, sorry, that function is disabled. Contents and graphics copyrighted and are not public domain. So what the hell is this now? So protected by the Creative Shield. So that's what exactly? Okay, a bit of more legal messing around. Let's see. All creations created within this protected website are original and are protected by the international laws of intellectual copyright. All creations contained within this protected website are for private use only. Any commercial use of the creations must be authorized in writing by the owner. All creations, again, repeating all the stuff with the distributions and all that, just with more text. May not be posted without by the owner. Forbidden to be redistributed for profit. Just say it's non-commercial use only. All creations, yada yada yada, not included to repackaging, removal. The owner of this website's creations must be contacted in regard to use of their work beyond their intended purpose. Basically, private use only, non-commercial, and try not to annoy the hell of everything. Okay, let's see, for the screensavers at least. 3D artwork, American Eagles, Angels and Fairies, Autumn Leaves, Bats, Beer. Ooh, let's check the beer. We might be able to get the download, maybe. Yeah. Should have expected that. Whoa, 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 what's this? What's this? Holy shit. Streaming sex videos. You must know you serve XXX. Protect your privacy. Get the click here. Screensavers on wallpapers, which goes to hot sexy wallpapers, beautiful girls. Oh my god. Oh. I'm scared for that part. Okay, let's hope that we're not going to actually end up with something else. What else we did have? Okay, we still have lots of stuff. Let's see for bees. Maybe. Just don't open any porn. Okay, a winner has been detected again. And what the hell is this? Let's. Why do I actually expect that this is going to fail? Why are always all of those stuff failing to download? Like you can click it to download and get it to this page, and then it fails. Like every single damn thing. It's incredible. Anything, god damn it. Any single thing. Is still loading. Yeah, it keeps returning just like an error. Easter eggs. Why did they actually have to like make this so complex? Is this working maybe at least? The first one maybe. I'll assume it doesn't. Yeah. Okay, we'll have to close this one. Because this is like opening a new page, I think. And what about the games? Can we get games at least? Wait, games goes to teamsmate.com. Okay, there are some games. The X-Ball. I think that's one that I actually managed to play. I think it's the X-Ball 2, and we actually can download it and we might be able to play it. I don't know if anyone else has ever played the X-Ball, but it's usually a nice Arcanite game. Wait, where the hell is it? I think this is the installer, but... Wait, it should... Oh, it's in here. Oh, there's also other stuff. Oh, and it works! And that's cool. Okay, let's play this for a bit. I need to take a minor break, so I'll just play this for a moment. If you actually wonder if I might be screwing up things, it's because the mouse is not fully made for the, in this case, like it can go out of bounds. And I hate this one. It keeps popping up whichever way, whenever you actually want it. Whenever you actually don't want it. It's actually popping up every single time. And splitting usually works well. Okay. We should be done with this level. Oh, damn it. I hated these invisible blocks. You cannot ever see them. Oh. Still fear for the mouse. It kept, if I go up too much, it's going to block the control. Oh. This was nice. Oh. It's also strange that that even the power-ups that kind of make things worse, that they actually give you points and not to decrease. Let's see. Let's speed this up and probably get killed. This is the only like the game that I was able to play before, as I didn't have like any other, how to say, games that you could download it or either play, because I only had like online games to play or anything what was basically on CDs. So this is at least one of the games. I mean the sequel, not the DX World one, but 2. And this is what I hate. Like you try to pick up the ball and then it immediately screws you up. Okay, let's now use this. And now even the shooting is useless. It's still fun to play until I actually get killed. Then it's kind of train wreck. And now I'm stuck with this. Usually in the Xbox 2 you might be able to actually get the, I think it's like some kind of lighting effect that would actually terminate those blocks that you cannot destroy, but I do not hear any lightning still. So I do not know if that's still applied or not. I know it takes forever. If I actually don't manage to do it in like a minute, then I'll stop playing. Actually, maybe in 5 minutes. I just want like to maybe finish this off. Or I'll probably get killed. Whichever comes first. Oh, and you always get stuck with you get stuck with like trying to destroy the blocks, and you always keep jumping on left and right. Oh, yeah, thanks Parabolicus for mentioning that it should only happen when 1 or 2 tiles are remaining. So this is going to take a while. I I have no idea if the cheat code might work. I'll try to type. Oh, for fuck's sakes! Always the skull. It's always the skull that's getting displayed, nothing else. Oh, okay, that's the misuse thing ever. Not that, not that. Oh, oh, damn it! Okay, I lied. I'll play this until I die. I mean, until the pedal is dead. Damn it. Oh, that's nice. That's the best one. It keeps destroying. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, I'll regret this. Oh, ah, damn it. Usually in the X-Ball 2, this is supposed to like keep the effects, but it only strings the ball in here. Oh. And I'm going to get killed. Oh, fuck that, fuck that. I'm not taking that one. And not that one either. Those are the worst. Like, it bounces up to the point where you actually cannot pick it up. Or you can actually pick it up and regret it. Simon, we won't stay in here for a while. I mean, we won't actually take this forever, but I'll probably get killed easily. Unless I actually try to use the cheat code, which I do not know if it works on X-Ball 2. I know it works on 2, but not on 1. I'm not sure if it works on 1. Damn it. One more. Usually the X-Ball 2 usually has like the better effects, specifically like for the ball sound, as it's like kinda picked down, I think. Oh dear god. This is what I actually hate. Like, you have to aim properly, but you keep missing. Oh, there is some lightning, I think, I hear, but... Okay, I got it. Okay, let's say... Why the hell was that in bluish color, damn it? Oh, now it's even worse for me. The X-Ball 2 actually has that shrink power-up in red. Yeah, this is the same already. We're back to normal. Oh. Oh, now it's speeding up. Goddamn skull face. It's the only thing that appears the most often. If you actually had like the lottery, you could probably win if it's always a skull. You will probably always win. Oh, I'm killing this. Oh, damn it. Like, we already had like 3 skulls. 4 skulls. Oh, split. This should work great. That's much better. Okay, let's speed this up because I don't want to waste a lot of time. Oh. And... okay, let's just get ourselves killed and we're done. Yeah, just them. This ball, Michael P. Welch, yeah, and that other stuff. Alright, we are back to this. Let's see if we can actually get some of the game. Like germination, maybe. Maybe. Oh, okay, it can work. Save it. Open. And what is it? Install. And it's summer. Oh, germination. Virtually real. And oh, damn. Some. How does it work? How do you play this? I cannot even. How do you actually even interact? I'm trying to type anything and it's not working. I'm pressing all the keys and it's not working. Did I actually do something? No, it did restart, I think. The F2 key actually resets the game. But other keys are kinda not working. Oh, I'm not sure what I meant to do. So let's see how this works. I have no idea how to actually play this. Oh, it's space, I think. Wait a second. Wait, I think it doesn't actually even register the key. Ah. Yeah. Okay, I got it. It's the shift key. Oh, damn it. I still have no idea how it's played, so I'm trying to just go in a way that it works. Oh, I think I got killed. Oh god damn it, that's the most I have no idea what's the actual genre of this music, but it's actually doing some damn nice how to say. I have no idea how to say it. Okay, up the down keys. Control the shooter is controlled with the up down arrows. Shift to fire germ. Oh, wait a second, is that it? And that's it. Alright, let's see. Shoot, and that's all. Damn it. So this is kind of very odd way to actually position stuff. You have to be careful on this way and also over here. If you shoot it over here, it's going to get blocked. Oh, damn it. It doesn't go in that way, that's strange. So it only goes... Oh damn it. So it's only working horizontally to destroy them, as far as it seems. There seems to be like a button to actually have pod and hatch timers, which assume it's like the timeout for hatching, which are the green ones. Yeah, I still have no idea. This is actually quite difficult. Why I'm not playing this quite well. Oh, it can actually go this way, so only if it plays that when you on the direction then. I actually knew that. Can you actually... Oh, you can actually destroy them, that's good. That, then... No, I'm not doing it. Okay, let's get killed. It's very, very difficult. And I even didn't manage to reach the sky spores. Okay, maybe it's a long story. And my ears are now ringing. Whew. Maybe something easier might feel. Let's see for Bonzala. If it's going to work. It's going to. Download. Open. Open. Setup. Install. You're permitted to make backup copies for your own use only. Copyright law and unauthorized distribution is prohibited. It's install. Directly needs to be installed, but yeah, never mind. Let's just keep going. So what this game does? Oh. Okay, this is kind of DUI, or I think it's kind of glitched. Let's see. Can I actually resize? You cannot actually see it quite well. Let's see if I can actually. How does this work? Is there still anything to be fixed, maybe? Nope. Everything is quite glitched. Seems to be emulated. Let's see full screen. Nope, that's worse. Okay, let's see if I can actually stretch this further. Oops. No back buffer, fatal error. So I think this is the maximum that we can do. Okay, let's see. Game level, video, audio controls, quit. Let's see for the video. Style, background, wireframe, fog, scenery, place, mesh, depth, lens, primary driver, software, window. Yeah, there's not much of an option in here. Let's try playing easy. Whoa! Oh. Now what? Whoa. Would you just go around like this, or... Whoa. Is there anything else that you can do, or... Hold on a sec, F1. Use the cursor keys on the keyboard to navigate to the menu in the lower part screen. Okay, then use the cursor keys to control the fight character and clock the all hearts to win. To turn around, slow down to a stop and press the backward key again. Rods through a ring or spinning balls are movable. Let your flyer glide to a halt over a rotating disc and use the left and right controls to swing the road. Use the 4 key to leave the disc. Oh, I mean like this, I think. Whoa. Wait. Hold on a sec. Oh, damn it. Okay, that's trippy as hell. Okay, hold on, go back. No. Ah. Oh, wait. Oh. I am completely lost. Oh, wait, this is slow. Wait. I'm still very confused. You hear so many goddamn effects, you keep going around like this, and I still have no idea what I'm supposed to do. This flying thing and all of the interface being so glitchy. Wait a second. So where am I supposed to go now? Oh. Oh my god. It actually crashed while I assume eating muslin, or I don't know. This is actually the most messiest game ever. Oh, it now it's completely broken. Yep, I cannot run it again. Pretty incredible. So we also have marble crazy beads, tetra blocks, leapfrog. Let's see a little leapfrog maybe. Is this opening? Oh, yeah. Launch leapfrog. Oh. Oh, we are a real player again. And Johan Leon presents. Well, you could actually add a splash screen after that or something. Oh. Leapfrog, let's enter this. Play. World 1, the pod. Actually, can I put it on full screen? Oh damn it, there is no full screen, it seems. Yeah. Let's see. Whoa. What the hell? So pick up the meat and no, the flies I think. Can it fall? Oh, can. Collect the box. Coin is for the score. And avoid the nets apparently. How to actually... oh, can actually go here. Let me just I'm just going to pause for a bit so I can actually see if I can resize this thing. Hold on a moment. If I can actually try this. Oops, nope. Hold on a sec, hold on a sec. Shit. See this. Oh, too much. Okay, I'll keep it now cropped like this so I can actually see the gameplay. No worries, Simon. Feel free to go to sleep. I'll probably stream for a bit still, but thanks for staying. It's real nice to see someone enjoying the stream overall. No worries overall. Okay, let me continue this then with the music and let's continue. Oh. That's scary. It doesn't feel easy to control. I mean, it's kind of straightforward linear, but like this you can easily get lost. Damn it. You at least have like lots of lives. Okay, careful, careful. Whew. Can actually... oh yeah, can. Whoa. Very hard. You just need to like get hit and you lose. I think that's... is that all of it, or... let's see if I can actually get something if I get killed. Or... is it even possible to fall down? No, it's not possible to fall down. When you try to move the pedal down here, it's going to stay the same way, in the same position always. Let's go keep it one more, and what's going to happen? Oh. The frog gets cooked. Poor frog. I should actually refine the transform. Hold on a sec. And yeah. Oh, that's it. Poor frog. Jim, apparently named. Oh, sorry, let me switch back to the normal transformation. Whoop, 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 whoop. And there we go. Reverse worms. Let's try worms. I don't think it's like the actual official worms from Team 17, but it should be fine. By the look of it, it might be. Oh, it's actual worms. Let's see if I can actually do something with this, or it's going to break. It should be in here. Oh, somewhere. Hold on a sec. Worms and... I'm not getting anything. Okay, hear the sounds and all that, but it feels like there's nothing. Yeah, there's no interface. Can I actually close it from here? Nope. I have to terminate it, unfortunately. 4 worms. Is this the one, or I have no idea which one is it? What happened? Hold on a sec. I need to end this cut. Okay. Okay, apparently worms are not working. Miceman sounds like the game that's basically just pushing the blocks. I don't think I like it. Let's see. Extract again. Hold on a sec. Oh wait, it's on the desktop. This could be much easier if it actually, if the Windows actually had better support for compressed files. Okay, which one? Oh yeah, that's this Miceman. Solo software for creative user presents the Miceman. Oh, this is supposed to be the Lemmings, I think. Oh. Oh, that's much different. Difficulty, easy. Press any key to decide who goes first. Oh. Well, it's like a mix of how to say that, table soccer, and not sure what else. Let's see. I assume that you actually need to line up properly, maybe. Oh, it even falls like that. Oh, damn it, I'm going to get killed into the bottom most likely. Okay, I probably have no idea what I'm actually doing at this point. So what do is anything happen if I... Oh. So if I go there. Go down. Oh, so it's for scoring in this case. You have to reach to the other side, apparently. Very odd game. Or maybe I actually don't know how to play it that well. I mean, in the beginning it probably seems to be like okay enough, but I probably can screw it up. Oh. And then that's the point. Ah. Okay, let's quit this as it's very very, very difficult for me to actually to follow up. It gets... Oh wait, it's going to quit. No, no, come on. Whoops. I accidentally restarted. Well, we can actually at least enjoy the Easter.
Here comes Peter Cottontail.
Oh my god, don't play this damn thing now while I'm actually playing this. Oh no. Stop, 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 stop already. I don't need so much of this goddamn startup music. It's insane. Just stop. I don't want to suffer from any copyright issue at this point. Oh. Things get worse by the day. Let me just kill this and even kill this thing. I have an idea if this actually caused the train wreck of stuff. Yeah, I want to quit it. How do I actually quit this? Post-it notes from here. Kill this also. And yeah, that's it. Let me check for the Bonzala once again. Where's Let me see if that works again or not. Okay, that works again, but I'll probably fix that. Yeah, Jacob, I actually restarted on my own. I pressed Control Alt Delete a few more times. When you actually get the system is busy blue screen of that, then and you try it again, then it's going to restart. The busy part is basically displayed when you try to display this once, and while still not able to display it, then it's going to display the blue screen at that moment to give you a chance to wait, as far as I'm aware. It's something like that. We were back in no, not that. It's the, oh dear god, what was the name of it? Okay, it's not Bikini Fun Zone. That's the one with the porn. Oh, Patty's name. Patty's download page. It Patty's teams. Wait, how do actually? Oh, wait, okay, the games are here. Here, alright. Go back to here. Maybe one more game. Oh, elf bowling. Please, I played this. That's actually fun. Extract. Open. Yes. Oh man, I love playing this. There's also the sequel, and the sequel is the one that I actually played even often, if not even often. But let me just switch this back. Let's see, 320. Oh wait, I have to do some ads again. Okay, let's see. Right, I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, so the bowling. So just press it once and oh. Usually getting a strike in here is kind of difficult. You have to like align it somewhere over here, I think. It's a spare, but still nice. Yeah. Damn it. I never managed to do any strike. Always mostly going with either like 9 points or maybe a spare, but never something special. Oh, wait a second. Oh, yes. Actually, maybe not the best option to display at this point, but yeah, you can actually kill animals in elf bowling, along with the elves being quite... Okay, damn it. Gutterball. I fucked up. Gee, thanks. Oh, strike! Nice! Yeah, this is a strike. This is actually always... When it's always in middle, it's always going to be a split. That's the worst one actually to get it. There's no guarantee to...
Is that all the balls you got, Santa?
Ah. Always getting screwed up at that point. Not sure about the deer.
Hey, Elliot, park it.
Yeah, I think that's why actually I played in this game. They usually have like some various, how to say, tricks, or... I actually have no idea how they even say it. It's not kind of prank. Prank is kind of like the... not worth it to say. It's, yeah, they're being naughty most of the time. I think. Along with the option to moon while they are dead, as you have seen.
Hey, Santa.
Oh, morning.
Who's your daddy?
Ah, damn it. I was hoping to actually get rid of them all. Once again. Ugh.
Gutterball.
Blah. Like, the whole range of this is kinda odd. So you only have to like aim for this part only. Anything else is a wreck. Oh. Ah, damn it. I didn't get rid of the bunny. Such a shame. I mean, I actually did kill a frog accidentally while moving the yard, but it was still an accident. So don't expect anything like that. So basically, the frog went into the lawnmower on its own. Like, it went in front of me. I couldn't even stop it. Oh. God damn it. That's something that I didn't see ever. Very nasty. Oh. Aye. Yes. This is supposed to be like the last round. Ah. And we're done. With 132 points. I'm not...
Merry Christmas, everyone!
I'm not the best one, but...
Click on, click on, click on, click on me, click on, click on.
And this is the crew of Endstorm as far as we were. So they basically work on this game, and... yeah, that's all. Yeah, there's the sequel also. So hopefully that one also works. So let's download it. Open, maybe. And open. No. Too bad. Nothing. For Elbow 2. At this point, maybe nothing. Maybe in the future if we find it again. Okay, these are the puzzles. That sucks. And can we go back to the main page? Oh, actually have to go manually. Okay, let's see. Program stationery, cool stuff. Let's see for the programs. Music, desktop architect. Interstitial wallpapers, Inver, zip free, poverty frank, commander, icons, HTML tidy, anywhere. Let's see if we actually got something. I hardly doubt it, but let's see. This is the old version of Adaware. So let's run it. And start. Hopefully it won't actually kill something. I have some bad trauma about using Adaware on the first PC. I'll talk about it some other time. Just scan everything, damn it. It did find something, but I think it's just some bullshit maybe. Scanning the drive is going to cause lots of trouble also. Alright, while that's doing, let's check some other things. So fresh icons, MP3 wave, clicky, talk sender, RHH extensions, error messages. Let's see this one. So this is supposed to check for the errors. I mean, check the details for the errors. To specify Windows error code number in the error code box. The error code you enter will be described in the text window below. 0 is completed successfully. So there's also more other options. Let's see. Incorrect function, cannot find the path, cannot open, denied, invalid, invalid storage blocks that were destroyed, not enough storage is available, invalid, environment is incorrect, the Xcode is invalid, data is invalid. Oh my god. The wrong diskette is in the drive, disk is full, reach the end of file, network is busy. There's lots of that. It keeps going and going. Wait, what? Circle service dependency was specified. Anything else? The tape access reshape file mark. No media in drive. Oh my god, there's so many of those. Request was aborted. One failure, account card disabled. Dear god, there are so many errors in here that cannot actually follow up. So about, let's say 3000 errors maybe. Error messages at least. So this can work at least if you know actual number and then figure out. I mean, in a way, when you actually do something and it returns a specific code, then you can actually understand what actually went wrong. To the point of actually seeing just the message, not knowing what else was the problem. Oh, it's done. So it found at least 7 stuff. And that's for the Gator, which was basically the one with the bundled theme. And then there's the Web 3000 for, not sure which one is it now. Okay, let's continue. No, let's just keep this. Just keep it as this. Wait, you actually clean it? Oh, god damn it. Now maybe it still remains, never mind. Okay, go back. Let's see for the cool stuff. Some very cool programs in here. 500 custom, 500 cursor skins. Yeah, cannot open. Wait, what? Get great JavaScript from CodeBrain. Also not working. Manage your wallpaper with ease. Make your own screensavers. Yeah, even on that. For free phone bill analysis.com. Does that work maybe? Oh. Discover how to comment rising long distance. Free phone bill analysis. Save money or get $10 cash for your time. Dear visitor, I may not be very good at writing advertising copy, neither I'm best with web designer around. However, as you find your way to my site, I hope you will look past my shortcomings and focus on what I do know, that I'm an expert on reducing long distance bills. While the major carriers are rising rates and fees, my clients are enjoying lower rates than ever. Saving people money is my true passion, and I would love to help you as well. Text your phone bill to 1-800-959-3371. It is free. Armed with a copy of your phone bill, I will perform an extensive analysis and provide you with recommendations that will save your money. Guaranteed. It does not really matter if you're an individual spending $10 monthly or a big corporation with a $100,000 monthly bill. My analysis and advice is 100% free, and I guarantee that I will find a money-saving solution for your needs. A simple free fax to 1-800-959-3371 would end up saving you 50% or more on your long-distance bill. Only the first six digits of a phone number are used in the analysis, so feel free to block out the rest. Your information is 100% secure through our simple common sense privacy policy. Your personal information will never be rented, traded, or sold to anyone. Period. Sorry. With our 100% client guarantee, what do you have to risk? Our service is completely free and without any kind of obligation. Most requests processed in 48 hours are received. Often sooner, we'll pay you $10 cash for your time if we can't help you. Lifetime satisfaction guarantee if taking our advice. Text me your bill toll free at 1-800-959-3371 today, and I will get to right work at commenting high long distance rates with fantastic savings for you, which I assume is basically just getting either a like VoIP call maybe, so doing the calls over the internet, or just like saying like, you're calling too much, just call it once, someone once for a bit, talk less, and you'll save lots of money already. I have a feeling like that's it. And we also offer free offline analysis courses of callingplans.org, as well as the rate listings for major carriers. Let's see for the rate listings. Okay, sorry Jacob, I'm trying to just find maybe some other software, and I stumbled upon this, the free phone bill analysis page. So this is like for the prices of that. Let's wait, hold on a sec. HT being largest, 35 cents per minute. So what if I click on something else? Oh, so basically it actually mentions like it mentions to give like the service pricings, and then you should get the choice what you should pick in that case. I think back then it had a problem with actually picking the prices overall. I mean the services. So each one has each one of those has something okay or bad to pick, I think. Actually, how do I say this better? So we have various carriers, and each one of those provides some specific plans that might not be worth it in your case. So you have to pick some other carrier that you might not know to save some money. I think that's basically all of it. I'm kind of tired at this point. It's been I don't know how long I've been streaming. I think it's been like 3 hours maybe. Okay, let's close this and see what can we do next. Specialty things maybe. Oh, but yeah, I think that's going to also fail to download. I made these things for Torbooks to promote a new fantasy series by Eric Van Lustbalder. Oh no, Lustbader, sorry. You'd like to have a specialty team? Email me. Wait, so that's just another team that I cannot get it. With an image, with a wallpaper maybe? Nope, not even the wallpaper, unfortunately. Maybe the skin? Maybe? No. Oh, a pop-up on title. At least it's not something bad. Alright, we checked all of this. Maybe not the stationery. I think that's for the emails. But I cannot get that either. Oh wait, hold. Oh wait, I think that's not it. I think that's basically just an ASP, actually just an HTML page. Wait, where the hell is that? It's supposed to be called A. Oh yeah, that's it. That's in wrong format. Let's just rename to text, so you can see that. So what's? Wait, it's actually an executable. Hold on a sec. Exe stationery. Oh, that's. So where does that actually work? Let me check. Common files, boxes shared, stationery. Just check. Oh, this is kind of still. And there's still this for that was sent. Oh, that was from one of those scripts from before. Let me just check. If I make a new mail and can I actually go with? Okay, this is stationery, more stationery, and yeah, so that's in here. What was the name of that? I think it was actually I have no idea. It's lavender rose, so it should be under L. Yeah, there it is. Wow, that's cool. So yeah, if you actually didn't know, Outlook Express had some stationery templates that could actually use to make your emails looking wonderful, like even this, or even let's see, just what's this? Chicken soup. Actually, let's open that in Windows. Go back. Show me stationery. Open like that, and oh, so, wait, where's the chicken soup? Have some chicken soup and get well soon. Oh, wait. Oh, close this. Oh god damn it! Just cancel. Oh yeah, so you can actually open this and already have a template. Have some chicken soup and get well soon. So, and yeah, that's all of it. Let's close this. Lots of yeah, don't send any mail. So at least that managed to work. Yeah, thanks for noting Tractor Beam. I was hoping that I was actually hoping that it will work, because every time when I try to download something, it either fails or it's not found or anything like that. I think we are done with this one. Let's go back to Go. Let's see what else. Oh. Let's see if we can get maybe screensavers. Shareware. Maybe something from here. Let's see for the holiday lights. Oh man, I actually think that this is the twinkle bulbs. I'll have to find a way to download. Holiday lights. Why do I have a feeling that this is what we actually had? Please don't break the link. Oh god damn it. Whenever it's actually like download.com or anything like that other page, it's like always going to fail. Wait, there are other locations. The internet maybe? I have a feeling that this is also going to fail. Simtel maybe? Come on. We're so close. Is this it? Nope. Oh, god damn it. Even that's not available. So what's Newton? Can that work? Oh. Wait a second, wait a second. Yeah. So even from here I cannot actually download anything. And I know that SteamTel is like that one FTP page that you can actually explore a lot. It had like an FTP server. Let me just see if I can actually run it again. Actually download anything maybe. Just anything. Nope. Let's go back. Let's go back. Two cows. Can they maybe have it? Whoa. The download link might be, yeah, this. Oh no. Oh no. Why do they always have to put up oh. Why do they always have to mess around like that? Ah. Sorry. Well, you can even get them by email, but no luck with that either. What about desk flag? Maybe at least that. Okay, that works. So let's get that. Open, install. It should place an animated United States flag over here. Hey! Even though I'm not US citizen, it's fine. It just stays in here and like on top of all windows. Can you do anything else? Let's keep it fast animation. Oh my god! Oh my god! I haven't realized that I forgot to crop. Forgot about the crop. My mistake. I'm so sorry about this. So how much did I have screwed up by this? Probably a lot. Okay, so let me just go back to see. So we had anywhere, desk flag, and messages. So we had this thing for messages. We had anywhere to scan for stuff. And finally we had the desk flag done over here. Sorry once again. Oh dear god, so much of a trouble. Maybe we can do some other things. Let's see. Maybe some teams that might actually work. Team of the day. Let's go with that. Slayer desktop team. Download size. And how do you actually get it? Ah, over here. No. Once again, it doesn't work. And once again, it somehow managed to break. Tootsie's team shop. Anything over there? I have a feeling that this is the similar like we had from before. Yep. Extreme thing. Maybe not the best option. Oh, magical desktop. Magical world of war enhancements. Transporting now. All the content is made by himself with 3D programs like PaintShop Pro, Bryce, and Poser. Then a pay site. Free, free. Let's see. Where's the free stuff? Let's see new things at least. Mystical bubbles. Can you actually even download that? Download. Does it work? This might work. Maybe. Yep, it does. Let's get that and see. Instructions. Why did it actually change the icon? Okay, bubbles and scissor. Okay, let's extract all. Show. Yeah, next. Whoa, 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 hold on a sec, hold on a sec. Go back, go back. Wait, it's installed already. Oh. Wow. Okay, I think we saw enough. Like the music and not have no, it's classical music, but obviously I have a feeling that it's going to kill me for some reason. Okay, so that means that this works. So we might as well find something else. Let's see, let's see. Well, let's see shark waters. No preview. Download maybe. Yeah, good. So there are some downloads. Whoa, that's long path. Okay, let's add this. Run. Oh, so that's going to how it's going to look. Okay, let's try it out. This might be a bit more cool variant. It should be for under S. Yes. Let's apply it like this. Yeah, nice. Looks nice. Oh, damn it. I have no idea if that's even copyrighted even. It's like oh no album. No valid images. Oh dear god. Even more it gets even worse. Okay, I need to find something else before I freak out. Anything that's not kind of copyrighted maybe. No, let's see miscellaneous maybe. Rare mechanic, up and away. Let's go up and away. Don't want team screensavers. Team and screensavers, yeah. Ah, no. Carousel maybe. Download team screensaver. And it should be going. Okay, let's run that. Yeah, this one is free. Oh, is that the progress bar supposed to be like that, or I actually have no idea. Okay, let me just apply this before I go crazy. It's carousel, it's this. Okay. Whoa. That's loud. Whoa. Oh, and this is broken. Maybe this is even worse. Let's see geometric maybe. Download that and Oh no, it's not working. Coca-Cola reflections. I have a regret about this. If it's good. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Roller coaster. Let's maybe nature might feel better. Because falls rainy day. Hurricane maybe. Just don't include any metal music. What's that cursor though? Oh yeah, it's a course. It's very difficult to even figure it out at this point. Okay, let's assume this is supposed to be installed, but let's extract all. Oh my god. Wait, let me just see how it looks. Okay, this should be much better, I think. It's Hurricane with H. Whoa. That gives us some odd environment. Whoa. This crashed. Okay, I'm not a fan of this. I hate thunderstorms. Oh my god. Alright, after all of this, sorry, noise. This felt more of like those emergency alert systems. You probably the one specifically in Australia. There's like one with jumbling letters for cyclone, like for one, just for one. How to say? I think TV network. I'm not sure which one exactly, but the one has also jumbled letters like that similarly. It's insane overall. We'll keep this maybe for a moment and I think let's switch it to a bit to Easter Cutie maybe. And whoa. Whoa. Okay, I think I'm even done for today. So we have tried lots of themes, lots of games, and lots of apps. So at this point, well, let's just do one more attempt of playing Bonzala, and I'll play the screensaver at that point. Let's see how this will work now. So you have to pick up the hearts, which look very odd. You can push those things, but oh no. And if you actually get hit by one, then you actually have to start all over. So that's the thing. Oh, oh, go back, go back. Oh, it crashed. Okay, I cannot even talk anymore. I already had like lots of fun with this, with playing the games, even the DX ball specifically, and even the Bonanza. But I think it's enough for today. So I'm just going to play the Easter Cutie song, and that's not the song, but the music and screensaver. So let's hope that this will work. And otherwise, enjoy for a few minutes, and we'll see you for some other time. I don't know, maybe in few more weeks, as I'm taking a bit of travel to, I think it's either Poland. Yeah, it might be Poland in a week, maybe more or less. So I won't make any videos for a while. So for now, thanks for the stream. Thanks for staying on the stream, and enjoy. And that's it for now. Bye.